Okay, and this movie tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop in order just to put just in some titles, right? First things, okay, well, we have the timeline. I'm going to use the same just in a background. You can download from a Google image. Yes, and just remember that the resolution has to be high. Just try just to get probably a picture just more than 1000 just in pixels, right? Okay, let's just open Photoshop. You click the little magnifying glass and just put just Photoshop there. We're going to Adobe Photoshop CS5. Now this one's going to open just on top of Final Cut Pro. You can hide Final Cut Pro if you want, just to don't be just confused with all this double. Or if not, you just carry on with this. Okay, Photoshop. At the moment, File. You put New. Okay. Now it's very important just to you to go to Presets. Yes, put a costume there. All right, and put this one. 1280 pixels in 720, because this is more for television. Okay, 720 1280, because that's the resolution that we are using just now for Final Cut. Right, and then you put just a title here. That's very important. I'm going just to put let's see, yeah, I just put just show reel, just in a, I just put just test for me. Okay, but you can put just show reel, just in a etc, whatever yes you fancy there. Right, click OK, and try just to save this one, of course, in your directory. Yeah, and it's going to be easy to find. Now you create here just in a background layer. You can see here. I highly recommend just in Photoshop just to use this one as a template, yes, for your 720, and put another layer. Yeah, because that's what we're going just to do. We're going just to put just different titles in different layers, and we're trying just to move it just in Final Cut Pro. Right, let's see, we put just OK. That's my layer 2 selected, and then I can just very easy go to T there for title, and just write just in a, okay, yeah, you have to write this is a title. All right, you highlight it. If you want just to change, you just click the little just in a there. You can do for video is, remember that most of the videos is just dark really, yes, in your background. Then you use just a yellow or green. This is more standard for titles for corporate videos. Okay, again, you can just choose the styles. It's up to you. Yeah, but I'm not going just to get too much in Photoshop. Just to make just my title as it is fine. Then I put just another just layer 2, and I can just put this one. This is another title. Okay, I can see here there are my 2 layers. At any time, if I want just to resize that, you need just to go to this click there, and you can just resize your titles as you wish. Yes, really. Yeah. For people who want just to go just and play around with the titles, also you can just go to click. Okay, apply there. Now, if you go to the top there, you have painting, you have design, and also you have essentials. I recommend just to go to essentials, go to styles, and if you fancy, you can just do something of this and presets that they are here. Yeah, you can just put something else and experiment it. But again, don't spend too much time on this. And if you want to, yes, you see when you click on here, now your title have another subtitles here, drop shadow for example, and I can double click on that, and again I can just change that, or I can just put just more texture for example. Again, the texture, yeah, you can just contour, you can just change a little bit there. Yep, again, don't spend too much time on it. After you finish with that, that's quite nice actually. Okay, after you finish with that, you just save as, and remember just to save this one into your Scratch disk actually. Okay. Actually, I'm going just to put this one into my hard drive, and I'm going just to put just save. Okay. Right. Now Photoshop now is going to hide, and then I have this one. And actually, yes, I repeat the same thing from my last tutorial, how to move things, but to do something just something more straightforward, I'm going to show you just how to move around. Okay, I put this one as far as you remember. Here's this, show this, and you can choose. You just file your file. Now, something happened here is when if you see here now, Final Cut just put these files as a sequence. Okay, therefore, that you can just do is when you double click, that's going to open another sequence. All right, then you need just to click the first one, click the second one, yes, and Command C for copy. Okay, and then just go to the timeline that you have here, go to the end, press Command V, okay, to paste. Then you have your titles, your 2 layers there, which is quite interesting now. Okay, because now you're going just to select both of them and just put it just on top of your background there, yeah, and you will see yes your. Okay, now I can see that this actually is quite big there. Okay, then on the top here, normally you have this position. You go image in wireframe, right? And that allows just you to resize more your title. Let me just go one by one and just put it just into the right position. Okay. Now you can just move them around if you want, or you can just only just add a cross dissolve there, right click in your in the mouse, add transition cross dissolve, put over there, and again in the mouse right click, you put this one just into that edge, right click, add transition cross dissolve, and then you will have your, this is another title, then coming the other one, this is another title. Okay, and the next tutorial I'm going just to put just if you have the time, I'm going just to show you how to just put just effects, more effects just with it. So again, if you go to my tutorial, my previous tutorial, you can use the same just the same techniques just to move them around. Okay, and then just move just from one side into the other side using motion. Okay, all right. Okay, I hope that this video tutorial is clear. Otherwise, just give me a shout and I will be just explain to you just in a one-to-one lesson. Okay, bye for now.